Hey you guys, this is Janice Wilson Hughes, aka J-Dub. We're here in my Evolution Stoneware Pottery Studio today for a really quick video on rod piezos. Now this is where I make my ceramic slides and tone bars, but today I thought maybe we could talk about amplifying our CBGs. I think that rod piezos provide a really great way to do that provide a balance between good tone and ease of install. These are really easy to use and really inexpensive too. One thing that I've done is come up with my own custom bridge, and that's what I want to share with you today. Here's what the finished bridge looks like, and here's how it's made. So I used 3 pieces that I got from the hardware store. I've got an aluminum bar stock that's 3/4 inch wide, 3/16 diameter steel rod, and 1/8 inch diameter brass rod. Personally, I cut these down with a pair of bolt cutters and then sand them to make the labor as easy as possible for myself. But you could saw these or use a Dremel cutoff wheel to cut them. From the side here, you can see the flat bar, and then I have 2 of the steel rods glued onto it with 2-part epoxy. I drilled a hole in the flat bar. The rod sits right down in between the 2 steel rods with the wire coming through the hole in the plate. And then the brass rod sits on top of the rod, just a little bit higher than the steel bars. So the strings run across the brass and transfer the vibrations onto the rod, allowing you to amplify your guitar. In my applications, I leave this rod loose and the tension from the strings holds it in place, but you could glue some pieces here on the ends to hold it in place. And you can also file some grooves in your brass rod for your strings to ride across. Now, I've used this style bridge on 2 of my favorite builds, my ceramic body guitar and my U-bass, my ukulele bass. So I put together a really quick demo for you of what those sound like. I do recommend that you throw on some headphones or good speakers if you have them around so you can really hear the bass. But I'm going to pan back and forth between the guitar and the bass in the song so you can kind of hear the tone from each one. It's also a really great idea to use a Piezo Preamp. You can get those from CBG really affordably, and you don't have to build it directly into your guitar. You can build an outboard one that you can use with all your piezo guitars. So I am using one in my video, and then I'm running into my Roland Microcube, and then I'm just recording straight out of that. So I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you for watching. Thanks for watching. I hope this gives you guys some ideas for making a custom bridge to use with your rod piezo. Hope everybody out there has a fantastic day. Thank you, CBG. Love to all you guys. Love to all my giddy gangsters out there. Bye, y'all.
Piezoelectric.
I think these little guys are a really fantastic way to amplify your cigar box guitars.